Hi friends, we're back. It's Mimi.
And Kevin.
And we are going to do an Easter treat for you. We haven't done a treat in a while, a snack. You know, it'll be great after school snack, after dinner dessert. And there goes the bell because the dog's got to chime in every time. We'll be right back. And we're back. So, like I said, we are going to be making Easter treats. It's never too early to get those recipes in for maybe a class party or just for yourselves. I know we're going to be eating them tonight. So they are going to be bird's nest, and we're going to show you the ingredients. Why don't you show them what we have?
Peanut butter.
Okay. You are going to need a cup of peanut butter. Doesn't matter the brand. And if you are allergic to peanuts, then almond butter or soy butter or any of those.
Mini eggs.
Yep, you're going to need those Cadbury mini eggs because you need eggs in your nest, right?
Chocolate chips.
Milk chocolate chips you're going to want. Doesn't matter the brand again.
Cocoa Pebbles.
Now, actually, it calls for Cocoa Krispies. However, they are not gluten-free, and yours truly is gluten-free, so we're going with Cocoa Pebbles. Any kind of cocoa cereal like that will work. And then you are going to need a muffin tin and something to grease it with, whether it's Pam or butter or something like that. So let's get ready. What we're going to do first is we are going to melt the chocolate. You need the chocolate melted before you can get started. So we are going to put
it in for?
We are going to put it in for 30-second intervals, stirring in between. And you're going to want to do it on a low setting. You're not going to want to do it on high. So why don't you put this in for 30 seconds, power 4.
How to do power.
So put it in, 30, power level 4, and then start. All right. You melt your chocolate, and once it's fully melted, meet us back here. So it looks like the chocolate is ready. Bring it over. We got to pour it right into the peanut butter and mix.
Hot.
We got our peanut butter in the bowl. All right. Put it down. Put it down. You okay?
Yes, that's hot.
Well, you can run that under cold water if that's...
Yeah.
Okay. You're going to pour it right in with the peanut butter and mix while it's melted. You don't want to wait till it hardens. You know, with meltable chocolate, it hardens pretty quick. So you want to get that in there as soon as you can.
That looks good.
It's going to be even better once it's done.
It looks so good. So what are these eggs for?
Have you ever seen a bird's nest without the eggs? We need the eggs in the bird's nest.
Yeah, fair point.
It is Easter.
Well,
okay.
when the birds hatch, though, there's no eggs.
He's being difficult, isn't he?
Am I not wrong, though?
Okay. So we're going to stir the goodness up. Yeah. All right. No licking yet. All right.
It looks like Nutella.
It does look like Nutella. Smells divine. Okay, I'm gonna... So now we got it nice and mixed, and we're going to pour this into
the
Krispies. All right.
Can I pour it?
So, yep, pour it in. Okay, get it all in there. Don't leave anything out. Let's see what you're doing. Ooh. I'm gonna eat some. So, we've put it in there, and now we're coating it. You don't want to stir too hard because you don't want the Krispies to break up.
No, we don't want that.
No, we don't want that.
No, thank you.
Oops, I dropped some. Dogs are ready to pounce.
Baby. I'm watching you.
And she's like, and I'm watching you. Drop it. Okay. Now this is a gooey mixture, and what we're going to do is we are going to spray the muffin tin. Why don't you do that over the sink?
All right.
Lightly spray each compartment. Okay, make sure it goes, okay.
Right.
And we are going to fill each cup with this mixture. After you've filled the cup with the mixture, you're going to take a round measuring spoon and kind of impress it into it so it hollows out the nest. And that'll be our next step, because this looks like it's coated. Gosh.
All
I
right.
so want to lick the spoon.
Did it.
I'm a chocoholic here. Okay. All right, awesome.
I noticed there's 2 spoons in there.
There is.
Oh, that's smart.
Filling it now. Join us in a minute after yours is filled. Okay, so as I said, we are going to be using a measuring spoon that is round and depressing it into the center of our nest mixture. Okay, so we are going to press and oops. Okay.
That sounds satisfying.
Doesn't it?
Yes.
Make this an ASMR. So now what are you going to do?
Put 3 eggs in each nest.
All right.
So let's do it.
You can even lay them on their side, so that way they're either way.
You know, I have a variety in here.
All right.
These actually are going to look really cute. Here's a pink one.
All right, so once all the eggs are in place, we're going to put this in the refrigerator, or you can put it in the freezer to harden. Once it's hardened, scoop them out, and they're ready to eat.
Chirp, chirp.
I hope you're making yours while we're making ours. Here's the finished product. Put a couple peeps in there for some decoration. Look at how yummy those look. I think they could use a little bit more time in the fridge, but they held up really well. We just popped them out of the muffin tin with a knife. It's Mimi and Kevin signing off. Hopefully you can see us. We're doing this with our hand, holding the camera. Hopefully you will recreate this. I think it's a really great Easter treat. And what do you think?
Like, share, and subscribe.
Should we try one?
Yes.
All right. You try it at home. Comment down below what you thought. Bye-bye.
Bye.